Tripura. And now still we are in train. We are suffering our journey. We must thank to Dinesh Devarma, and we also thank Karnataka government. They help us like anything, and we thank Karnataka police also. They are guiding us as their duty, but we have to thank mostly Dinesh Devarma and Karnataka government. So Dinesh sir, if you are not doing like this, mean we cannot come maybe. So I hope that those who are not coming in this train, or to them also, you are still going to send like this. Suno no bele kin hame faru Dinesh sir. Suno why salo faida ke jari wono. Doi botol bobak jago. So dai Bangalore ni government na bahina hambai maya faru. Bangalore ni government, Karnataka government chuno help khayang ke chung asu khayman la khamu. Ei chung chini Tripura ni Maharaja na bahina chuno 5 lakh taka dam khaymani bagai chung bana hambai maya faru. Chuntabo volunteers tu buzago. Main tawan take to buzagia. Chini 17 baga babu.